Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Capital Markets Report. Today is Friday, September 26, 2008. French power company EDF is acquiring British Energy Group for about $23.2 billion in cash. The Associated Press reports that EDF is already the world's largest nuclear power plant operator, running all 58 of France's nuclear reactors. British Energy operates 8 nuclear power stations. Staying with capital markets news, Medtronic has agreed to buy Canada's Cryocath Technologies for about $400 million Canadian dollars. Reuters reports that the offer price of $8.75 a share is almost twice that of Cryocath's close price of $4.44 on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Cryocath's board has unanimously recommended that shareholders accept the offer, and the deal is expected to close in the fourth quarter of calendar 2008. And in more capital markets news, German carmaker Daimler is in talks to sell its remaining 19.9% stake in Chrysler to private equity giant Cerberus Capital Management. According to the Wall Street Journal, Europe's Cerberus has acquired its 8.1% stake a year ago in a deal that undid the 9-year-old tie-up of Daimler and Chrysler that failed to reap the anticipated benefits. And in other capital markets news, Shigang Group Company, China's biggest closely held steelmaker, agreed to take a 45% stake in Grange Resources. The move is intended to help lock up future sales from a planned $1.6 billion iron ore project in Australia. According to Bloomberg News, Grange will combine with the Shigang-controlled Australian Bulk Minerals, the operator of an iron ore mine in Tasmania, in a transaction to create a company with a market value of $1 billion Australian dollars. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Capital Markets channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.